Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another quick pick a card reading, and this reading will be yes or no. You can ask any question and you will get the answer from spirits and angels. So you can choose different seashells for different questions. Okay, for one seashell, one question only. You can ask different kind of questions to different piles, okay, or seashells. You can select any number of seashells, but only one question per seashell. Please remember that. Okay, so I don't first I thought to pre-shuffle and keep it ready the cards, but some of my viewers will ask the live shuffling. So what I will do is I will shuffle in front of the camera, but what I'll do is I'll make it fast forward so that you can see fast. So that's all I'm going to do. Okay, so we have 6 piles here. So pile number 1, red seashell, green seashell, yellow, purple, white and brown. Okay, these are all the 6 piles we have here. So what I will do is I will shuffle and keep the cards ready for each pile. Then we will slowly go into the reading. Okay, so I want to request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like my readings, or if my readings are resonating with you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, press the bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel. And please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Whatever resonates with you, please keep it and leave the rest. And if you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Okay, without wasting much time, let's go into the reading. This is a quick pick a card reading, yes or no. Let's see. So shuffling and arrangement is done. Okay, so I have taken the cards for you. So you can see the piles and the seashells. You can choose whatever card is, whatever seashell is attracting. Okay, then you can choose the pile. Okay, and also if you need more time, you can pause the video and choose the pile, meditate on the pile and ask your question first. Then you can choose accordingly. Okay, you can choose any number of piles, there is no problem with that, but each question for each pile. Okay, so let's start the reading. Let me keep all these cards aside. Whoever chose this red seashell, this reading is for you. Okay, so whatever question you are asking, is the answer yes or no? Please, spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, so the Emperor, Chariot and 7 of Moons. Okay, so you might be asking about a question which is related to your career, okay, or travel, or any job. I definitely I see that you are asking about job opportunity or a career or a travel to abroad for the job. Okay, anything it is like that. So you are confused, actually you have many options and you don't know what to choose. So you are asking whether I should choose this job or not, whether I should start a new business or not. It is something related to your job, career, money. Okay, so the answer is big yes, friends, because the emperor is there and paired up with chariot. Okay, so the emperor and chariot. Emperor is the highest position. Okay, king of kings, and the chariot is a travel card. So definitely your answer is yes, and I know that you are confused. Like seven of cups means it is you are confused. You don't know what to choose. Okay, but the spirits are saying that your answer is yes. Whatever the question you asked, the answer is yes. Okay, let's move on to pile 2. Whoever chose this green seashell, this reading is for you. Okay, so the death, knight of cups, and seven of pentacles. Okay, so you are asking about a person. Okay, so you have ended a relationship with this person and you are asking whether this person will come back to my life or will we reconcile. Will this person will contact me? Okay, these are all the kind of questions you are asking, and some people are asking about health also. Okay, so some people, it is actually mixed questions. Some people are asking about money, some people are asking about health, some people are asking about love. Okay, so whatever answer is, the answer is yes, because the death and rebirth. Death always people think that it is a negative card, but it is not a negative card. It is a death of something which is not required in your life. Okay, so that is dead, but it is again reborn again. So whoever is the person that you are asking about, that person will definitely come back to you. They will like a knight of cups is there, so they slowly but steadily they'll come to you. They will express their love to you, towards you, and definitely this person, whoever you are asking about, they will come back to you. If you are asking about money, so you have invested some amount somewhere, or you have given loan to somebody. You are asking, will that money come back to me or not? So definitely that money will come back to you. Your fruits will the seeds will reap. So they say, right, one saying is there. So whatever you have invested, it will come back to you multifolded. Okay, so you are patiently waiting. I know you are waiting for a long time, but definitely this, whatever you are waiting for, you sow the seeds and you will reap the fruits. Okay, you will get the fruits and it will come to the fruition. So definitely the answer is yes for you. You will definitely get multifolded. Okay, if it is you are asking about love, you will get many times of love. Okay, then if you are asking money, definitely you will get it. If it is a health related question, slowly your health will be better and you will be able to move around or roam around. Maybe if you are bedridden, not able to move, for some of you I'm telling, it is not for everybody. Whoever is asking about health, okay, will my health be okay or not? So definitely slowly you will be coming into your conscience, and you will be better. Okay, your health will be improved. That's all I can say, friends. Let's move to the next pile. Whoever chose this yellow seashell, this reading is for you. Please, spirits, answer yes or no. Okay, Wheel of Fortune, High Priestess, and Three of Spears. Okay, so the answer already you know. Whoever is watching these readings constantly, they know the answer, but still I'll explain. Okay, the wheel is turning into your favor. Okay, so whatever you are waiting for, maybe you have joined a new, so you started some new thing. Okay, maybe business or job or something. So maybe you are asking about whether I'll be stable in this job, or maybe you have started a new relationship or a connection. So you might be asking whether this person is trustworthy or not. Should I continue with this person or not? Okay, or whatever it may be. Okay, so will my future will be better with this person, or my future will be better in this job? So something like that you are asking. But universe is saying that the wheel is turning into your favor. Maybe you are facing so many difficulties in past few days, months or years, but definitely you will see a quite opposite way. Okay, like if you are, suppose if you are in a trouble, sadness or pain, so everything will turn and it will be happiness, abundance. Okay, so like that the wheel is turning into your favor. And high priestess means you have to trust your own gut feeling and intuition. You are highly intuitive, so you have to trust the gut feeling, and also you have to listen to your elders. Okay, whatever the elders are saying, whatever your parents are saying, you have to listen to them also. Maybe there is a mother figure in your life, maybe a grandmother or mother or aunt or sister, whatever it is. So please listen to them, whatever they are saying, whatever they are guiding and advising, please listen to them and learn things. Actually, three of pentacles means learn things. You have to learn more. You are just a learner. Okay, you have to learn more and more, and you will definitely succeed in your life. Okay, so the answer is finally yes, friends. Please do as per your intuition. Okay, as your gut feeling says, you follow your gut feeling. Whoever chose this purple seashell, this reading is for you. We will answer spirits whether it is yes or no. The moon card, Queen of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so the moon, Queen of Pentacles, and Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so there are some secrets. You might be asking about money or some person. Maybe you are dealing with a single mom, okay, or you are a single mom. So maybe you are asking about a person or money. Okay, so there are the moon card. I mean, so universe is saying that there are many secrets involved in this thing. Okay, so please wait. Don't be in a rush, don't be in a hurry. Inquire more about whatever is the situation. Maybe this person, maybe this job, maybe whatever you are asking, maybe the finance, or maybe a relationship. Okay, so please wait. Okay, don't be in a hurry. The wheel will turn into your favor. You have to wait for the right time. Do not rush things. Okay, so the answer is maybe. If you want to choose another pile, you can choose another pile also. You can see the answer, but as of now in this pile, it is the answer is maybe, because the time has not yet come for you. The Wheel of Fortune, so time will come. Everything will happen in the right time, so don't be in a hurry and don't rush things. Okay, so the time will come, then you can proceed ahead. Okay, answer is maybe, friends. Let's move to the next pile. Whoever chose this white seashell, this reading is for you. Please answer, spirits, the answer yes or no. Please answer their question. Whatever is the question, please answer yes or no. Okay, so the High Priestess, then Five of Wands, and Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so you know the answer. I no need to tell you. But maybe you are asking about a person who you are departed from, or maybe some family fights are happening in a current situation in your life. Okay, maybe it is a love matter or a family situation. Maybe with your spouse you have lot of struggles, fights, conflicts, and you both are not together right now. Okay, so you are asking whether we will be right, we will be together or not. You are asking whether we will reconcile or not, or some people are asking whether I'll be abundant or not, and some people are asking that will I get my family money, like wealth, okay, inheritance or heredity, whatever. So you are asking like will I get it or not? Okay, the money or property, whatever it is. So the answer is yes, friends, because you are intuitive and you know the answer already. Okay, you are highly intuitive and you know the answer, you follow the gut feeling, and there are fights that will subside, and finally your full family will be reconciled with you, all will be staying together, and family property will be between you only, it won't go outside, and you will get abundance. Maybe you are asking about will I reconcile with my spouse. Okay, maybe if you are separated with your husband or wife, you are asking about that. But whatever is the question, friends, the answer is yes. So last but not least, whoever chose this brown seashell, this reading is for you. Let's see whether the answer for your question is yes or no. Please, spirits and angels, please give us the answer, yes or no. The word King of Wands and Temperance. Okay. Okay. So maybe some of you are asking, will I get married? Will I get married to specific someone? Okay. So will I get balance in this connection, or will my person come back to me? Maybe you're having a long distance, you're in a long distance relationship. So you're asking, will this person come back to me, or will this person reunite with me? Okay, so these are all the kind of questions you are asking. So the world card means you are completing the cycle and entering into new. That means you will achieve whatever you want to. So whatever is your wish fulfillment, you will get it, and you will come into a power like King of Wands. Like you will come back to the power, and you will get whatever you want to. The cycle is ended. Okay, so whatever bad phase is in your life, that is ended, and you will be traveling, or your person will be traveling and coming towards you if it is a long distance relationship, and you will get a balance in this connection. Or if you want balance in your life, love life and career, definitely you will get the balance, and the answer is yes, yes, yes. Okay, so that's all I have the reading for you, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's my humble request. I can see many of you are not watching at all my readings. Please press bell symbol so that you can get the notification and you can see my videos. Some of the viewers message me that, ma'am, you didn't post any video for long time. But if you didn't press the bell symbol, you won't receive my videos, right? See, like every week, once in a week, definitely I'll post a video. So please be in tune with my channel so that you can get the notifications. Okay, that's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye.